Hey guys, welcome back to our techies, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo screen or white screen. So today I'm going to show you the best way to fix all the boot loop or iPhone stuck on the screen issues. So for that, first of all, you require to download this Tenorshare Reiboot from the given link below the description. Just simply go ahead and download to fix all kind of iPhone issues, like if it's stuck on exit recovery mode, if it is stuck on the Apple logo, or if it would not turn on, or like if you are upgrading your phone to the latest firmware or latest iOS version, and suddenly if your phone is stuck on that, then you can simply fix that kind of issue with this just Tenorshare Reiboot software. So just simply go ahead and download, and after downloading just simply install that, and here it is, Tenorshare Reiboot. So simply install and open, and let's see how's the user interface of this application. So here it is, just in one click you will able to repair your operating system in just one click. There is no technical knowledge required for this application. And to fix that, you require the original cable which comes with the phone. So simply connect your phone. Make sure to turn off your phone with holding the power and home button, and let's simply connect. Repair your operating system. Fix now. Hold the home and power button. See, okay, iPhone just gone to the recovery mode. Now I can start the repairing process. Fix now. Download the firmware, and now the firmware package is downloading for this iPhone. So once the firmware package download will complete, and it will automatically start the fixing up the problem. So let's see how much does the time takes to complete download of this firmware package. And the best thing that the first 5 users who want to download this app in just free, they are getting the giveaway of this application's license key. So just go ahead and comment the license key. I will contact you and will provide you the license key for this applications. Just this is valid for only first 5 users. Now it's shown the download will complete. So here it is, the firmware package has been downloaded successfully. Now there is an option to repair the operating system now. So let's repair it. So the repairing process has been started. So right now it's verifying the firmware package, is it compatible for this device or not. So it's just verifying right now. Repairing process has been started. Now from this point of time it will approximately takes 10 minutes to repair the whole process. So now it's on the meantime your device may disconnect and reconnect several times. So don't be panic and do not unplug your device. Make it connected. Do not disconnect your device with the wire cable. So just wait, and it will show is it repaired on the screen. And the best part which I liked in this, that is your device will not if even after fixing that issue, your device will not delete from your device, it will not delete any single data. You will not lose any data. This is the best part which I like mostly in this while repairing this with this application. You will get your whole data from the device. Here it is in the screen. It's already pops up that is the repair process is completed. So now the whole repairing process completed. So now you can disconnect your device. There's no issue, you can disconnect it accordingly. And there is okay, now after that it will also takes around approx 5 minutes to completely boot up this device. So let's see how much complete time does it take to boot up. So here it is. Now phone has been directly restarted to the home screen. So this is the best part. So you can see in how without any technical knowledge, without any nothing, without just with one application you can fix this kind of difficulties, error of your iPhone. Even if your iPhone has faced different kind of issues, like if it's stuck on all kind of issues you can fix with this one applications. And one best thing is going on now, the 5 subscriber will get the free license of this application. So you have to just comment down below in the comment section. You guys will get 5 license key of this application. And till 15th August there is a 30% discount is also going on for this application. You just go ahead and download and subscribe this channel. So if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this.